Best Luxury Sports Cars for 2024 BMW M2. In the realm of luxury sports cars, the BMW M2 has long been celebrated for its combination of luxury, performance, and driving dynamics. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly anticipate the latest releases for 2024, the arrival of the all-new 2024 BMW M2 has sparked excitement and anticipation, solidifying its place among the best in its class. The 2024 BMW M2 arrives with a host of updates and enhancements aimed at delivering an unparalleled driving experience that seamlessly blends luxury and performance. From its sleek exterior design to its meticulously crafted interior, every aspect of the M2 exudes sophistication and style, setting it apart as a true icon of automotive excellence. Under the hood, the 2024 M2 boasts a powerful turbocharged engine, delivering exhilarating performance and dynamic acceleration that's sure to thrill drivers. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and precision-tuned suspension, the M2 offers agile handling and responsive steering, allowing drivers to conquer corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 BMW M2 also impresses with its luxurious interior, featuring premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and a range of cutting-edge technology features. From the comfortable and supportive seats to the intuitive infotainment system and advanced driver assistance technologies, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience and ensure that occupants feel pampered and connected at all times. As one of the best luxury sports cars for 2024, the BMW M2 represents the epitome of automotive excellence, combining breathtaking performance with refined luxury in a package that's as exhilarating as it is elegant. Its iconic design, legendary performance, and uncompromising attention to detail ensure that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand the very best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 BMW M2 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of German engineering prowess and automotive innovation. With its blend of luxury, performance, and style, it continues to capture the hearts and imaginations of drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best luxury sports cars of 2024 and beyond.